Okay, so first off, I'm just gonna start designing just any random car. I'm not gonna go by a certain design. I'll just start with the general shape. I'm gonna start off with a not very complex CAD and then maybe work up to a more complex CAD where I could get more exact. So I will start off with which one is the polyline. This is the polyline. So I'm gonna click on the grid. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna use a different software because I'm gonna use a parametric software. So then I can have, because parametric would work better for this. PTC Creo Parametric. I don't know if I should. No. How many instances of this do I have open? I only have one instance open. Okay, no. Part, yes. So the name of the part will be car for live stream. Oh no, never mind. This is car for live stream. This is okay. There's a space, so I'll just okay. That looks good. I'm gonna go right here and delete this plane. Okay, I'm gonna go to AB. I'm gonna go to left because I think that would be best. So I'm gonna go to sketch. Oh, I need to right AB. So I need to go to right and then sketch because it's parametric. So I'm gonna go to line chain, and I'm just gonna make the general shape of the car without the wheels. This can go like this. There can be a little shape like this. I'm gonna go out and chamfer all of the edges. Okay, wait. Just restart because I had some incorrect sizes. I need to reselect this. Oh, I have 2 people watching. Okay. Okay. This goes like this. So this should be about this. This is the hood of the car. This is the windshield. This is the roof. This is the back windshield. This is the bumper thing. Okay. So now I've got this. So I click OK. Oh, I've got to restart that because I forgot. Wait, I can actually work with this because I'm not going to make it to scale right now. This is very large, but this is just for fun. So I want to click on this. Where's the chamfer? There was. Oh, I need to click on extrude. Wait. Okay, yes. So I'm gonna approximate. So a car would be about like this. Wait, that looks sort of like a car. About the proportions, check. So I'm gonna go to AB right. Tilt this a little. And now I've got lots of rounding and chamfering to do. So I'm going to go here, 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 and then do the same thing on the other side. Here, 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 and here. Oh, wait. Yes. If I start off and make a chamfer that is a single size on one, then I can just click and it will apply to all of the others. No. Wait, Control Z. Okay. This is sort of rounding out. Okay, click check. What else can I do? I need to I'm going to round this a little. It wants me to round. But yes, because that would be the metal frame. It's looking actually pretty good. I'm going to round this part so it's not a sharp edge. Okay, gotta make that bumper a little better. The bumper isn't that good right now. And also those sharp corners right there. So around, I'm gonna go click on this. Around. And then click on this. And this. And this. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Check. This isn't actually to scale of anything. I'm gonna round this a little bit so it's not okay. I'm gonna make that. I think I'm gonna chamfer the front because right now it looks sort of like a beetle. I think maybe chamfer this. So that looks alright. I've got to round this. I hope it doesn't round. Okay. No, I think so. I wanted to sketch. I'm gonna go right here and round around here. Maybe make the bumper a little better. Around here, around here, around here, and around here. I think that looks pretty good. Because that's the thing that kids always jump on the back of. I wonder if I could add a trailer hitch. Because most of the cars in our family have those. I can make this a shell from here. Never mind. I'm gonna click X. Yes. I think I'm gonna make it a shell a little later, and then maybe even put seats in or something. But I'm gonna. What else could I do? I could shave this down around this section. Oh, I don't want to do the whole thing, but it might be pretty good. Control Z. Control Z is just the shortcut for undo, for anyone who doesn't know that. Probably most people do. I'm gonna round up a couple more places, like this. No, Control Z. Control Z. X. And yes. I do want to cancel. Cancel can't. No, that is a horrible thing. Check. And did that do what I think it did? Okay. I don't know. Why isn't this working? Will it work with a chamfer? Yes, that is looking pretty good. That is a cool little chamfer. I did not know that would look that fancy. Round. And around here, that was just enough. Yeah, that looks good. You can see it's smoother than it normally would be. Okay, what else should I add? I will add a little pole. What am I call it? Sketch. Oh, cancel. I'm going to go right here and add the antenna because I can. And if you would like me to make anything else, I can try to do that. Circle. Circle and a point. It's about right here. I'm going to plus into right here. And I'm going to make it very small. Click OK. Click in that little circle. And then click extrude. And minus, because for some reason oh yes. I wonder. And I'm going to add the little nub. I'm going to zoom in. And I'm going to add the little ball that you always see. So, click this. Click sketch. And I want a circle. I want it in the center. But I want it to be larger. Larger than life. So that looks good, and I will try to make that into a circle. And this will go extrude, and this is way too much of an extrusion. Minus. What is happening? Minus. No, that is too small, so I'll probably go 20, enter. So that looks good. And then I will go to my round feature and find this again. And then do some extreme rounding. Click OK. AB. Cancel. Wrong thing. AB. Default orientation. It is a little car. Voice crack. But it is starting to take the shape of a small car. It has the little antenna, has the shape, it's got almost everything. So I'll add wheels. I don't know how. I will click on this, click on this part, and then sketch, circle. So I'm going to go right here. I'll just make this 50. So all of my wheels will be the same size. Okay, click on these, click extrude, click OK. Wait, Control Z. Okay, that's better. I'm going to click extrude, and then I'm going to set this to -30. Maybe -50. Okay, 50 it will be. So it's 50 is the radius or diameter, and then 50 is also the width. So click OK. And then I probably should have just made one side of the car and then just mirrored it and then added the top thing. But now I will click this and then this side and then sketch, circle. This looks about right. Nope. Wait, Control Z. Circle tool. Oh, my arm's itchy. That's weird. Yes, this is definitely the new Tesla. I will send this to Tesla and tell them to make it with its extreme aerodynamicism, with its extreme performance benefits of the blockiness. I don't know. Circle. I will go right here and add this right here. Middle click. So this is 50, enter. And that looks like it's pretty good. But it is the wrong size. No. This can be. So 165 and like arrow, enter. Okay. So click OK. I think the back wheel is larger than the front wheel. Extrude. So this is -50 as we said before. Yes, that does look good. It's a very low-riding car. It's for all the people who want a low-riding sports car but don't have one. So round, get around this, so it's actually like a tire, around this, and that's looking pretty good for this side of the homemade 3D designed car. Now I've got to do the exact same thing on the other side. Wrong side. And it sounds like someone is coming. And they're not coming at tomorrow. Okay. So this looks about right size. $150, enter. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. I've been using this software for so many years and I didn't know I could actually just drag down a sketch. I'm going to drag it and try to make it in line with the other wheel. And that looks okay, so I'll click OK. And I'm going to extrude this, and it's going to be extruded the other way. 50 units. Enter. Okay. I just need one more wheel. This is taking a while. Might be a little boring. So sketch. I need circle. Da, da, da. $150. And then this needs to go here. Someone is calling the home phone. So that's probably going to be in the live stream also. And I just realized how far off this wheel is. But actually it might be because of the chamfer. I'll chamfer it and then see how it ends up. This looks check. AB. Default orientation is the wrong orientation. So I'm going to extrude this wheel because it's parametric and you always draw and then extrude. So this is 50 units. And I typed in the right thing, okay. So round, I'll go right here, right here, right here, and right here. Check. This is definitely the new Tesla. Actually, I'm going to go right here. I'm going to go to round and round right here a little more. Because it looks like it's a little off. It looks like it would be better if it was more rounded on some of the sides. And why isn't it letting me round? I guess I won't do that. It'll just be a very blocky car. But I did say it on live stream that it would be better if it was rounded. Yeah, in real life it would be much more rounded. But there we go. And there was this thing, shell. I did this before and it yes. I did this before, I don't remember exactly how. I think it might have been this and then, but there was a way that I cancel, yes. There was a way that I could click on one part of it and then make the whole rest of it hollow, so it'd be like the frame, and it would only be the frame and you could set it. But I don't remember how I did it before. Huh. So, should I try adding more stuff? I don't think so. I think this is good. Mads, you're the one who's been in comment. in the comments. So what do you think that I should build? Should I try out a different software? Because wait, what's this? There's an exclamation mark. That doesn't look happy. Okay, I'm gonna just file, save. I already saved this. File, save. I thought I already saved it. So okay. Why isn't this working? This, maybe I need to get rid of all of the spaces. Mads, this is PTC Parametric. It's pretty well-known software sometimes. It's what professionals use. I get it free with the whole suite, as you can see right there. Well, this stuff. But because I'm on a robotics team and it's sponsored by the PTC sponsors the robotics team, that means that we get it for free even though it's a very expensive software. But I also have some not free programs like Mesh Mixer, Spark Design, and 123D Design, which it's easier to make. It's for not as exact things. I'm going to try to save this because I've spent a while on this. Save as, save a copy, documents, 3D things. The name is, I'll just, so it should work. Okay, so round 9 says it has a problem. Oh, okay, might, now I might be able to save. Documents, okay, well this isn't working. So shell 1, delete. Okay, if I just delete the problem, then it shouldn't be a problem anymore. Round 9, that was the one where it wasn't working. So delete. Okay, delete. So there's no more exclamation marks, so I should be able to save. Documents, 3D things, car. Okay. I haven't heard of the Cinema 4D software. I'm actually sort of curious now. Google Chrome. 4D. What is it? Cinema. I'm not that good at spelling. Oh, is it in the Adobe software? I don't know. It looks like an Adobe software. I don't know. I'll just X out of that. Cool. Yeah. Okay, so I guess I'm just gonna leave this open in the background. But what do you think I should make? Actually, you just said something about Minecraft animations. I'll make some Minecraft animations. I'll try to make Steve, but just in crappy 3D modeling software. This is a free software. It's nowhere near as good as PTC, but for just making throw it together things like this. I wonder if I could actually do this. I don't know. I'm gonna pull up a picture of. Oh, wait. Gonna go into my second screen. Go on this. Why isn't this working? Images. Okay. This one shows about his blockage. I'm gonna put this on my second screen so then I can not have it obstructing everything. I'm gonna try to use these 20 cent. What do I have this set to? Yes, it's set to millimeters. I'll just have it set to 20 by 20, and I might even have it so if you want, I can export it as an STL file, and then you could probably 3D print it. Just move right here. Steve, I'm making you. I don't play Minecraft, but doesn't mean I can't make it. So I'm gonna go here, merge, enter. Now it's one piece. I need another block. Yeah. For my robotics team, I also get to use a 3D printer. It's not a really nice 3D printer, but I can still 3D print things. I had a bridge that I 3D printed. Where is it? I've got a few things. Just getting them. Where's the bridge? Oh. I actually had a bridge that I 3D printed, but my godfather also has a 3D printer, so I 3D printed this whistle that actually works. And in robotics, I designed a bracket that was holding a 1-inch tube, and I 3D printed a clamp to go on it, and this is it. It just had the name of our robotics team, NRG 6762, and it clamped it, but we used the wrong filament, so it ended up breaking. So that was a fail, but that's just something that we 3D printed. I'm actually thinking about getting my own DIY 3D printer for like $300 and then trying to put it together myself. But I've still got to save up for that. So add another block, Minecraft Steve. Then instead of adding more blocks, I will take this, do this, and do this. And pull. Push. Baby. And how many sections is that? So I did 2 sections for his legs, and then 1 section for his bodies, and a smaller section for his arms. Okay. Oh yeah, I've seen the new Ultimaker with the dual extruding heads, and it looks really cool. I would really want one of those, but yeah, they're multi-$1,000. I think it's $359. It's crazy, but it looks really good. What did I do? I'm gonna go to the right, to the left, to the left. Fit. And I'm going to go this, take this, and drag it over. Snap grid off. That looks about right. There still might be a line. Submerge. I'm not a perfectionist, obviously. Oh, that does annoy me, though. Just a fraction of a millimeter. But it's still there. Just a fraction of a millimeter. I've got to make it right. It just has to be right. How hard can it possibly be to get it right? Oh, we're getting intimate with Steve. And it's still not right. Hiccups. Maybe that was a burp. Was that a burp or a hiccup? I honestly don't know. And I moved it too much. This is going to be very challenging. But if I get it right, then it will be amazing. Nope. Wrong thing. Click on this, and click on this, and click on this. I've got to scroll up. Or to zoom out. Scroll up. Wait a second. Oh, I've been being stupid. I can just use the measuring tool. Measure from here to here. That the distance is 0.043 millimeters. Close. And then I can take this. 0.043 millimeters. Negative 0.043. No. Negative 0.043. Now, for real. Negative 0.043. Enter. Yes. It should be perfect. Theoretically. Merge, 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 merge. Mine. Are you kidding? It looks like there's an overhang right there. It's getting pretty warm in here. Just gonna take off this really quickly. And I just realized that I've been wearing this pair of headphones this whole time, even when I'm not even using them. Okay. Back to the problem at hand. Measure. Section. 0.176 millimeters. Okay. 0.176 millimeters. Move. 0.176. Enter. Oh, wait a second. Control Z. Control Z. Now I can do it. 0.176. Enter. Please work, please work. Merge, 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 merge. Merge. Enter. It didn't work, but it's close enough, and I'll just... Wait, I can do Control Z. And you know what I can do? I can take this and move this. 0.001. 0.001. Enter. And then move. Point 0.001. Enter. And now both of the legs will be off. If you can't fix it, then break it. Yes, now they're both off, so you can discern between the body and the legs, because I'm not going to change the color. Yeah, I can't change the color because it's one singular part. But now I need one more section of the body, or section for the body. Wait, I'm going to go to Control Z, and then I'm going to do Control C and Control V. And now I have two of them. Look at that magic. Fit. Bring me up. I bring you up. And I feel like this is a song, but I don't completely remember it. So I've got two sections for that. And it's gone. Steve, come back. So I've got two sections for the body. Now I just need to make arms and a head, and maybe figure out a way to paint it or color it. That would be pretty good. Okay. So what am I going to add next? And stop highlighting things. So I'm going to merge this. Merge, 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 merge. Enter. It's all one thing. Look at that magical poops. Steve, you can go down there. So now I need a big blocky Steve head. Steve. Oh, I should put Minecraft in the tag so then a bunch of Minecraft kids will start watching this. No. Should I, though? No. Okay. Head on straight. Now it needs to be a big head because Minecraft Steve has a very large head. Smart scale. I can just take this and go. Whoop. Nope. I guess I can't do that. Control Z. Maybe there's a way. There's a will, there's a way. There's a way, there's a will. But what if there is no will? And is there no way? I'm sorry. I keep on forgetting that I'm live streaming. Okay. Minecraft Steve. I guess I'll have to do this manually. Take this. Wait, control. Oh, I can do this. Isn't that pretty fancy? And then I can go press and pull. And then I can make your head really big. But I need to make it proportional. Well, proportional to the Minecraft standards, which is not very proportional to anything in real life. Okay, your head needs to be really big. I just X'd that out when I shouldn't have. So it's about as big as his shoulders. Fit. Actually, home orientation. Do 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 do. Wait, what does? Oh, no, I closed it. Get it in here. Minecraft. Is it Minecraft or Mindcraft? Minecraft, like mining ores. Yes. So this one was the one that I was using. About. So that looks good right there. And so I see here the arms are smaller. The head is about as big as the shoulders. And the head is pretty darn big on this. So I think I'm going to make the top of the head a little taller. So it's more of a square. I think I might have messed it up somewhere along the way. And then I need DOS box. No, not a DOS box. A DOS box. Like, I'm pretty sure DOS is German. I don't actually speak German, but people say DOS box. DOS is good. Only people in my robotics team get my jokes. So, this arm is a very special arm. Okay. Wait, control. And I can't get the inside part, but I don't need to get the inside part. Press and pull, press and pull, press and pull. And I've got pretty lost. Now I'm unlost-ish. So I can go like this. Steve has tilted arms. Do do do. Steve, there are no problems with your completely messed up shoulder. Everything is alright with you, if you believe. Okay. That looks about right. And then I'll do Control C and then Control V. Copy and paste, which works in this software. That looks about good. But there's a problem. In most of the pictures, one arm is going one way, and one arm is going the other way. Oh, darn it. That was supposed to work, but it didn't. Now the other arm's going the other way. But in this one, this arm's straight out. So I'll just make it to this standard. So move. This should be about right here. That isn't straight because the back is perfect straight because Steve has very good posture. Enter. And Control Z because I just flew it off into space. The final frontier. Oh my. You probably think I'm crazy. You're only doing software stuff? What does that mean? Are you building software? Are you a software? I'm gonna check on your channel. Mad. What does your channel say? Why isn't it letting me click on it? I'm gonna search up your channel. Just want to see who you are. Mads. Mads filter. Channel. And you have a profile picture of someone dazing off into space. I can't find your channel. Oh, that explains why. Okay, so this is good. I got distracted. I get distracted very easily sometimes. So this, Steve, one arm is like this, and somehow the arms got all messed up. So push it back into the body. Not too far. Huh. I'm gonna bring this arm up a little. It's better. I'm gonna merge everything together. Head, shoulders, knees and toes now. So I got a text. Who was it? No, it was just spam email. Okay. Can I do coloring? Materials. So I can make it green. Huh. I don't know if I can color it specifically. Plastic? I don't know. If I can just select a certain layer. Well, I'll make it. Not ugly green. What's a good color? He'll be purple. Actually, no. He can be... what color? He'll be off blue. Okay. Now we've got an off blue Steve. That looks pretty good, in my opinion. Okay, I'm going to save this file on my computer. 3D things. So, STEVE. YouTube live stream, and it is saved. Saved. Okay, what else should I design? Oh, I did some programming with hardware. Nice, with the Philip Hue LED lights. I haven't actually got into programming at all. We have our main programmer on the robotics team. That's basically the only place that I'd program. So I've just been doing CAD and 3D printing. What else should I do? Huh. Oh, I'm gonna try doing Mesh Mixer. Oh, it looks like it wants me to do stupid stuff. Oh, okay, should be working. Import a sphere, because I saw a tutorial on this and it looked pretty cool. So you went here and what did you do? Mesh Mixer, no. Select. Wait, Control, was it? A. Control A to select the whole thing. And then sculpt, no. Where was it? Edit, Control A. Control A, edit. So, it was here, but it was somewhere that made it into lots of triangles, because right now this is made out of lots of triangles, but it made it so it was much larger triangles, and you could do some pretty cool things with it. Where is it? Measure thickness, strength, stability, orientation, layout. Shaders? No. Where is it? No. Done. Actually, search that. I think it was under edit. And then, what was it? I'm trying to remember. It wasn't this. No, I don't remember. I don't really know what to build or do. I've been on for almost an hour right there. So I'm sort of out of ideas. What should I build? I will look up things to 3D design. No, thanks that I want things that have already been designed. I want to be original and make original things. Although anything that I've made, probably 10 other people have already made. I should probably not show this on YouTube because it might, copyright stuff. If you've got any ideas, shoot them my way, but I think that I'm gonna end the stream. I'm sort of surprised that you mads that you've actually watched the whole thing. Well, stayed and actually found me just 3D designing things interesting, because I didn't know I was very interesting of a person. So, yep, I think I'm gonna end the stream. I'm probably going to have more streams in the future. Thank you and goodbye. It was nice streaming and chatting with you in the chat. Goodbye.